So we're having babies. Hey, we got these sneezes. She was just smiling at Daddy, and so we missed it, of course.
This is fun, huh?
There we go.
You like bats, huh?
She's 5 weeks old tomorrow.
Wow.
She's getting big.
Getting big.
Getting rolls.